Always a good day when my good friend Thaddeus Bullard, aka Titus joins us here at Titan.
Obviously, you're in here for your 6-month checkup, make sure everything is good. Blood-wise, we're going to run the full in-depth panel on you. So we're going to run a CMP, a comprehensive metabolic panel, liver, kidneys, electrolytes are the real highlights on that panel, along with a fasting glucose. So it'll tell you what your sugar level is currently right now. After that, we're going to do a CBC, complete blood cell count, white blood cell count, red blood cell count, hemoglobin, hematocrit. We'll see if there's any infection for the white blood cell count. If there's not, everything's good there. And see where your levels are with red blood cell count, hemoglobin, hematocrit, especially being on testosterone. If you are on testosterone or any anabolic, you want to check this. At that point, we want to look at prostate PSA with you. Obviously, us, we're getting a little bit older, prostate is concerned. We're going to look at a full thyroid, T3, T4, TSH, to make sure the thyroid's all in general working condition and working properly, because that could do a lot of different things to the body too if it's off. Then we're going to look at free and total testosterone, progesterone, estradiol, IGF-1 levels, and B12 levels. So we're gonna look a lot. Plus your cholesterol. Obviously, we want to look at that and see where your total cholesterol is, triglycerides, HDL, LDL, and the whole nine. After that, we're gonna add on a couple extra panels. So we want to look at vitamin D, right? That's a big one. We know we live in Florida. We're supposed to be getting all this vitamin D from the sun, but a lot of people, it just doesn't convert in the body. And that could be essential for a lot of different things health-wise, right? Because vitamin D is a hormone, not a vitamin. Next thing, hemoglobin A1C. You said you stopped eating sugar. So we're gonna see what a 3-month average is of your sugar levels, and this will tell us exactly. Now for people out there, you can tell them if they're pre-diabetic, diabetes type 2, or where they kind of fall on that level. But that's it. So it's gonna be a really, really full in-depth panel. And then after that, next time you come in, we're gonna throw in some extra tests. We're just gonna keep checking. We'll just keep checking down the line and see where it's going and keep improving and be on our way. Sound good?
Cool, man.
It's so simple and easy to get blood work here at Titan Medical Center, either in person or nationwide. We got your back. We can check everything that we're checking on Thaddeus here and a lot more. So if you're interested in blood work, please contact us today at 727-389-3220.